And a new low in the BJP Aam Aadmi Party war of words. Remember, there is a war over BJP's Delhi campaign advertisement where the Aam Aadmi Party has accused the BJP of targeting Kejriwal's caste. Now, Ashutosh, who is a senior Aam Aadmi Party member, he questions the BJP, says, why is BJP attacking Kejriwal's caste? Ashutosh is also saying that people will teach BJP a lesson. All right, we have Mr. Ashutosh now on the phone line with us. Morning, Mr. Ashutosh. What really is your objection to this ad war?
If you read this ad, this talks about हे आंदोलनकारी देश के करोड़ों लोग गणतंत्र दिवस को राष्ट्रीय पर्व मानते हैं, इस पर गर्व करते हैं और आपका उपद्रवी गोत्र इसमें भी व्यवधान डालने को तैयार है. Gotra, anybody who understands Hindu religion, they also understand that a man who belongs to a particular subcaste is called a Gotra. Now he's calling bad name to Arvind Kejriwal's Gotra, which is very sad. BJP can stoop to this level, at least I had never thought. They are abusing the entire community to which Arvind Kejriwal belongs. Is that the politics which BJP is trying to perpetuate in Delhi? This is the level of their frustration. What?
Mr. Ashutosh, Mr. Ashutosh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. My question to you is, do you think that this could perhaps be deliberate? Because in the past, we have seen Arvind Kejriwal raise his caste in a public gathering where he says, "Main baniya hu, main samajhta hu." Do you think that this is an attempt being made by the BJP to get you back on that form of, electioneering?
No. My point is, why BJP is trying to bring his Gotra, his caste men in this election? That's the question which we shall. A political party which is heading the government in Delhi, which has got the clear mandate, clear majority in Delhi, which has won all the 7 seats, why BJP is getting so low? Is it the level of politics which is trying to pursue? This is the same BJP which has been talking about development, which has been talking about the Gujarat model, which has been talking about the governance. What happened to that agenda? Now it clearly signifies that BJP do not have any agenda for the day. They are only negatives, and now they have stooped to this level that they are trying to abuse Arvind Kejriwal's caste, which is very, very bad in taste. 2 days back, they had put a garland on in a picture which was Anna Hazare's. So I just fail to understand what happened to the BJP.
Okay, Mr. Ashutosh, my final question. The Bharatiya Janata Party has been very quick to take you to the Election Commission to perhaps serve a notice in the Election Commission against that photograph that you used of Kiran Bedi on auto rickshaws, calling her Avsarwadi. Yeah. What exactly is the Aam Aadmi Party now going to do as far as this ad is concerned? Clearly you are agitated with what the BJP has done. Would you go so far as a formal complaint with the EC?
We are trying to consult our lawyers. And by all imagination, today we'll go to the Election Commission and complain against this, that this ad has to be withdrawn immediately and BJP should apologize in public.
So, Mr. Ashutosh, before I let you go, you are telling us that the Aam Aadmi Party is now going to approach the Election Commission to complain against this ad.
Yes.
And also, will you seek that no such future ads also come? Because the latest that we have heard is that the BJP has planned till the 5th of February more such cartoon advertisements.
So what we are saying that the ad of this nature should be withdrawn. I'm not saying that any ad which is BJP, it is the right of the BJP to come out with any kind of ad. But the ad which hurts the sensibilities of a particular caste, which hurts the sensibility of a particular religion, and which is so low in its nature, should be withdrawn and BJP should apologize.
Okay, Mr. Ashutosh, thank you very much for joining us here on Headlines Today. That is Ashutosh, senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, who now says that based on this particular ad, the ad war that BJP has started against the Aam Aadmi Party, the Aam Aadmi Party is now going to consult its lawyers. It will take a legal route and it is going to approach the Election Commission for action against the Bharatiya Janata Party. That's the latest breaking news coming in at this moment. We'll put that out on the screen as well, where the Aam Aadmi Party has decided that it is not going to lie low as far as this advertisement is concerned. Remember, what is the objection? Ashutosh, senior member of the Aam Aadmi Party, says that the mention of Gotra, which is a sort of a veiled hint at, the community to which Arvind Kejriwal actually belongs to, that is something to which the Aam Aadmi Party has taken objection. It doesn't have a problem with the ad war per se, or the political war particularly. We have Brajesh Pandey joining us. Brajesh, the Aam Aadmi Party has made it clear this morning that these ads are in bad taste. They target Arvind Kejriwal's community, and thus they would be approaching the Election Commission.
Well, yes, this particular word is definitely contentious, but if you read the whole ad, it looks like, that it has just been, the real meaning had been lost in translation. Because, if you read the whole line, it looks like, they are trying to refer to the something called anarchist gene of Aam Aadmi Party, because the fact is that, BJP has itself called itself Brahman Baniya Party, and it's been accused of being one for a very long time. So them calling this particular caste an anarchist doesn't look fathom. We tried to contact to couple of BJP leaders to get their view, but nobody is responding on this particular issue. But yes, this is second controversial ad, if you can say so, in the last 3 days which BJP has started this ad campaign. The first one being Anna Hazare's photo being garlanded, and this particular line definitely will be seen contentious, and Aam Aadmi Party will definitely try to exploit.
Brajesh, there's one point that one wants to understand. Is this the Bharatiya Janata Party? First of all, which part or which particular department of the BJP has actually released this advertisement?
Well, if you look at the ad, it's clearly written that this is for for Matdatata Jagrukta, and this particular ad is being published by BJP's Delhi state unit. This particular ad, this series of ads are being produced by BJP's Delhi state unit.
Okay, a follow-up question. Brajesh, do you think this is being done deliberately? Because they saw the Aam Aadmi Party style of campaigning, where they were using auto rickshaws, where the moment they got to know that Kiran Bedi is the chief ministerial face, that two photographs were put on an auto rickshaw comparing Imandar versus Avsarwadi. Do you think that this is nothing but, a hit back by the BJP in a more personalized targeting point of politics?
Well, yeah, of course, because, there is also one other thing. The fact of the matter is that, like Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the BJP is not mentioning Arvind Kejriwal per se, or Aam Aadmi Party, and they are not accusing them directly. They are talking to them about them as if they are in third person. And this has been a deliberate campaign style where they don't want to acknowledge the existence of Aam Aadmi Party upfront. The Prime Minister, in 3 rallies which he has done in Delhi so far, has continuously avoided taking any name of Aam Aadmi Party or of Arvind Kejriwal. So they are just trying to expose their doublespeak in this through these caricatures, through these series of ads which they have taken. Unfortunately, it seems that not much thought has been put through, in the sense that, initially when the first ad was released, Anna Hazare's photo was garlanded, thereby insinuating that,
What is the senior leadership's view? Brajesh, what is the senior leadership of the BJP's view to these advertisements?
Sanket, as of now, there has been no comment from the senior leadership about what they think of the ad campaign. The ad campaign was, what we have been told is that the ad campaign was planned in a way to expose the doublespeak, but these controversies, no senior leader of the BJP has spoken till now.
Okay, it'll be interesting to see what really is going to be the response of the senior leadership, because as Brajesh Pandey tells us, these ads have been published and printed and conceptualized by the Delhi BJP unit. Whether the central leadership will agree with this such personalized form of attack, where number one, the first ad got into controversy where they showed Anna Hazare being garlanded. The second ad actually names Arvind Kejriwal's caste. It targets the caste, which obviously the Aam Aadmi Party has not taken kindly. What is going to be the BJP central leadership's view to these advertisements? That is going to be the development as far as this story is concerned through the day, which here on Headlines Today we are going to get you. Thanks very much, Brajesh, for all the latest.